But before exchanging the coffee, you have got to cut your body, either the arm or maybe on the thigh, maybe on the leg, but make sure blood comes out. And then your friend will smear the blood or the coffee with the blood. And then you also smear the coffee with the blood. Then you exchange these two die cuts. You have to roast this one diligently to make it black brown to attain the color of drinking coffee.
Wow, this is so amazing. This is so amazing. The aroma is so nice. Welcome to Kibale National Park. We are here in Bigodi area and we are exploring coffee, literally from the tree to the cup. This is amazing experience of coffee that you cannot find anywhere. We are trying to tell you today about the significance of coffee, where it is more than just drinking or a cup of coffee, but it has to do with the tradition and the values of the people in Africa, as we are going to see this amazing experience. This lady called Jocelyn has been doing this coffee processing for a long time. She knows how to do it, to process it from the husks up to the time you drink it in the cup. She's going to take us through the process, which we hope that you will find so amazing. Which type of coffee is this one?
Again, Robusta coffee.
Robusta coffee.
So Robusta coffee is the one that grows well here.
Okay.
So this side.
Okay. As it was the first time in this area around Kibale National Park, not being sure of how this process will go, I make sure that I check around the coffee plants to be sure that the coffee I'm going to drink is from the trees which they have here. So I move here around their coffee trees, as you can see, to be sure and to just enjoy, to see how they look like, and just imagine how they just pluck coffee seeds from the tree, and then in the process they make coffee and then you drink it. By the way, have you ever wondered which type of coffee you drink? This one is Robusta coffee, and as they explain, you can be sure because you are looking at it, you are seeing it with your eyes, how the berries look on the trees, which is so amazing, great experience. Okay.
So we had to get off the first sheath or cover, and therefore we have coffee seeds now. These are the ones we are going to roast and get the coffee for drinking. We have done the first pounding, and that was removing the husks. The second one will be pounding, getting powder. We have to roast this one diligently to make it black brown to attain the color of drinking coffee. So we are going to see how we shall be roasting, and we are going to join the next session of roasting now.
Okay. Okay.
Brewing now.
This is brewing, eh?
Mm.
Wow.
Yes, what?
We are here in the coffee experience. Can you please tell us why coffee? Why coffee in Africa? Why?
Exactly. Thank you very much once again, Tarasis. The reason why coffee, we have a lot of experiences, we have a lot of activity that people do here, including digging, including other activities that are related to our living. But why coffee this time? The only history about coffee is in the long ancient times, uh, people in the communities value coffee a lot because it leads to the promotion of brotherhood. In a way that if you are two friends and you want to keep your friendship for life, you get a red or ripe coffee bean. As you know, coffee has dicots, it has two seeds inside. Then you have got to get the red one, dissect it, get the two parts of the coffee, exchange the coffee. But before exchanging the coffee, you have got to cut your body, either the arm or maybe on the thigh, maybe on the leg, but make sure blood comes out. And then your friend will smear the blood or the coffee with the blood. And then you also smear the coffee with the blood. Then you exchange these two dicots. You will swallow mine and I will swallow yours as a way of keeping that brotherhood. So coffee symbolizes brotherhood in the African making.
More about this lady who has been making our coffee. Her name is called Jocelyn. Jocelyn is in this community near this Kibale National Park. Maybe if you wish to know more about her, it's so interesting.
Well, thank you very much again to the community. And as he explained to you, she's called Jocelyn. She's one of the elite ladies within the communities. She has a stake in tourism development. She has served as a coffee experience expert in tourism for more than 10 years so far. So she has all it takes if you need to take the organic coffee from next to Kibale National Park. She has everything. Come visit us, see the coffee experience, enjoy. Thank you.